Hey everybody, the College Railroader here. Welcome to the official YouTube channel. Throughout these series of videos that you will be seeing amongst the channel, you guys will be able to see many different themes and techniques throughout these playlists that I have, whether that is doing some reviews of specific model railroad companies and their products, or in terms of starting a layout and learning simple tips and tricks such as knowing your time period of the layout or knowing how to appropriately build a layout. A lot of different cool things. So please check out all the numerous videos that I have on here, as well as more to come, and be sure to leave any comments in any of the videos, as well as like and subscribe. And just like that, we're on the right track. I'll see you real soon when we come back. Thank you so much for watching the College Railroader today. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and be sure to be on the lookout for more videos to come. Take care, everybody. See you soon.